Hello guys, my name is David and today we're going to talk about two programs. The first one going to be about converting the total number of time given into number of seconds, and the second one is going to be about employee system. In the first one we are going to talk about converting total number of hours into seconds. In this program we create a structure for and getting in the time in hours, minutes and seconds, and then we multiply hours by multiply hours with 3600 and minutes into 60, and we just add the number of seconds. So what happens here is we create a structure for time which stores hours, minutes and seconds. Then we get into main, where we ask the user to enter the number of hours as t1.hours, then minutes and the number of seconds. Then we calculate the total number of seconds as hours into 3600, minutes into 60 and plus the number of seconds. So the total number of seconds would be printed in total. Now for checking the output of this program, we have as to compile and run. Now entering the number of hours as 4, minutes would be around 34 example, and the seconds is 45. Then we get the total number of time in seconds as 16485. That's for converting time into seconds. And now for our second program, we have an employee structure where we ask the user to input the employee number and the employee compensation so that we can store it for all the employees and then display it. So here first we have a structure for employee which stores the employee number and number float for his compensation. Then we have ask the user to enter the number of employees in his or her company, and later on we use a for loop to ask the user to enter the employee number and employee compensation for all the employees. And after once that is done, we print the employee number and compensation for all of them again. Now for checking the output of the program, we compile it and then run. So as it is being compiled, now it is run, and for example our number of employees are 3, employee number is 1 2 3 4 5, compensation for example is 10,000, employee number 1 2 3 4, compensation about 20 grand, and employee number further later on we and compensation as 30,000. So here we get the employee number in compensation for the first one, for the second one 20,000, for the third one as 30,000. So that's all for these two programs, and hope you learn something.